This video we will show how to run the machine, how to connect the electricity with the machine. For this switch is a main switch. He can control the machine's power supply. For example, machine is running now. Then the machine is turned off. The power supply is cut off, and we will run the machine like this way. This key can control the power's electricity connection tool. For example, we turn off. The power supply is cut off. Power supply is on. And if we turn off the key, you can see the menu has no power now, the DSP.